ene yen emabunu meka ho ne yen tumi mfiri mahama nsem ho na eka ho soja ni ho police ni ho mahama betwa ne 3 solid years ya aka obi anyi tumi mfiri ne nsem ko hwini be ma
me ka asam kire Ghana mebuna se moma yenje ye man ne yenye ne yi a ya no madwen ye mo se
John mama achi aban papa bi wo ho bi wonni babunu bai ene ebedi wo wachi age Ghana afiri mahama nsem aye ne yi wo ye ko hwini be ma bayi bonsama
Abuzavo mamunya makwa ba the Ghana nsem TV so but how is over like video no subscribe to the channel no attend notifications by next time videos of this age about so bit makabi say munyina munyim refer me Mr. President to from Mr. President and major society amona e for no munyina dey free na moda Roma Captain Smart no wonya the opinion the Captain Smart no hwe wi ase nyina na me adom NDC by nsaka na e ka Captain Smart go boy hwan I mean he's a renowned journalist in Ghana who is known for for saying a whole lot of things, behaving as if he knows all and a whole lot of things, right? And as we talk right now, as we speak right now, he's one of the general, or let me say media personnel that championed the agenda for John Dramani Mahama. And just recently, he came out to make a statement and Ghana fan one channel cry. If you have a bomb, money, papa. And I got a answer me simple. If you knew that John Dramani Mahama won't fulfilling a promise or make it to Ghanaians, why did you champion the agenda for him? It means that you are a stomach journalist. And then I'll hear no money ye book house make catch Ghana for say Ghanaian youth should come together and NG to me. NG to me if you want monza. John Dramani Mahama will be free power 2028. December 72 and be free power. Yen to abano yen free power. Obi do minus. You knew John Dramani Mahama was incompetent, as we've always been telling the ordinary Ghanaian. Yet, oblidi the agenda. A man for 2 foot Ghana for any. Among Ghana for 2 abadima John Dramani Mahama. Is it because Oba and Sebi on show wanting our agenda and away against agenda data and I cannot cry in how you came to talk about Aura, and Aura will be one of the most effective. Then you were a chief campaigner for Aura and the rest. I don't buy a kind of woman be Indiana. So what has happened all of a sudden? Now you are turning your back against the government you brought into power. So if you knew that indeed these people were so incompetent like you are describing them right now, why did you lead the agenda for them to be voted into power? That's what the ordinary Ghanaian are asking. You lack credibility. It simply means that no, just a mere hatred that you had for another Kwaku any side Baumia, Dr. Baumia, and Intima will lead the agenda for John Dramani Mahama. Because you dedicated your life, you dedicated your space, you dedicated your years of work just for NDC to come to power. It's on my part no disappointing as we're not gonna attacking you are just coming there to be like you gonna phone a bit you told us that NDC was extraordinary, NDC was different, so you should vote for NDC and we listened. You were such a hypocrite. You lied to the ordinary Ghanaian. And why is that of a sudden you're just trying to be like you are the saint? You can't be the saint. You can't. I think I'm even wasting time. Let's go and watch what the ordinary Ghanaians are saying.
ene yen emabunu meka ho ne yen tumi mfiri mahama nsem ho na eka ho soja ni ho police ni ho mahama betwa ne 3 solid years ya aka obi anyi tumi mfiri ne nsem ko hwini be ma
me ka asam kire Ghana mebuna se moma yenje ye man ne yenye ne yi a ya no madwen ye mo se
John mama achi aban papa bi wo ho bi wonni babunu bai ene ebedi wo wachi age Ghana afiri mahama nsem aye ne yi wo ye ko hwini be ma bayi bonsama ukura bayi tuntum wo sa akwa we
me ka asam kire Ghana mebuna se moma yenje ye man ne yenye ne yi a ya no madwen ye mo se
yani wuni ni wo se kwa ma obi mpetena kurum a ne ye nyina ye di bini asija so kan di awi ase wadwene nya adwuma se Ghana mpanimfo ntimi nka no wo ye bayi bonsam usu nipa bi ni wiase ye nya aban a obefa abatan no adeso ato ne ho so ebra na wiase nyina covid sikasam wase ye nya asa aban no befa abatan no responsibility to ne ho so ne wo tua kuro yi mu ma enwisia ne nyanka efis dabi unti bida ena mo akohwefuo wei president na waba wo se me meka ho ne yanyi tumi mfiri nisa mo de government share no abra 2016 somewhere 2012 the basi 20s na mabuna wiye school mu tifie yamfo omadwuma ankran ndwuma through dum so a collapse adwuma bia okrom ha mo akohwefuo wei and calling for that same government enne osi akonwa so kwa na emeka ho ne yanyi tumi mfiri mahama mahama chekwasi yampani we tum o calling for chini tum onkura dwempa monfa ne nhye fiase mamponi ipa boni ne yetesa wo a mo gye mabunu daache etotwena menem mo fa kufu ado painting ni black na oman Ghana sabi yadwene wo fomunti etie mu ene hwan na emeka ho ne yanyi tumi mfiri Ghana mpanimfo nsem wo ya mambofo na waye wadwene se wo mfa wo nsa nya adwuma na wo ya be sore wo so because wo ye nipa ya nhwe wo yi a wo betimi de kon asi wo man mu wani mu hu se nkana ne ene hu se akufu ado no wo ye adwuma akufu ado no wo ye adwuma ene wo hu with COVID no wo tua nkora no school fees ni ade no wo yi akwan wo to ambulance ene wo ko drip machine every district wo hu say akufu ado no wo ye adwuma akohwifuo a mo mpa Ghana nkanko nyankopon be mesemo ni nya monam atro ni nada aso benya bia mo mantwa so aba mo nyame de no me be to mo yire ne mo maso ni mo nchirima ne mo nana nkanso amoso mo de mo fansa ba bia nso nka mo santwerofo a mo okurom ha kwamboni bia mo nam so mo epesika mo nchirima be twa so aba eye bonnwona ba nyankopon fa no me to mo yamu maso mo aboni ye hye mo tirim na mo mpa afoforo de yeye mo mafu na mo dwene ho nyame be twia mo so ka akohwifuo momfa mo nsanya adwuma ne mo pene se Ghana fo esutia mu eno na mo pe na mo kra ni age nyame betua mo soka munya ni papa
position ni bebre nso wa sense ya yeto aba ye di afio e ko nanim you to no be from one monfa message nso a on reply no eti no empanifo ni bebre wo ho a on hwe ni yie e wo NDC aban mu most of empanifo no won nyinya positions ni bebre no bebre hwe ni yie because ama boys no bebre kasa yes sebe ye yit uti na wan kasa ho a
wan kasa uti wan
thank you ye you are born eti abufu wo kurom no osofukum chacha no kura pa na meka kesi ni ade no because eto da bia obitimi fra minia na ade we kura ya ne yese yeah any ade ya fra ho a bibi we mame mo vice president ya baso e wo TV kesi yi so hwe mi hu da vice president be hu me call I want from me back vice president professor Jena no koku adman me hu da so why you busy said dem kora ade ye che obe frɛ me ade ye che oni me be kasa me ba etsen so I say the way am I me be kasa na Mr. Julius Debra wo hu me call said den but nipa bebro wa ye say ye bo ondin wo fidie we so a everything more you
ntina man ko funu buo
etina man ko funu buo funu
no ba sabe ko chacha ke kwa be man ko funu buo
da bi o che
no ko wo frɛ vice president of Fako wo frɛ chief of staff of Fako etino o bo ma ba so enkofo bi so from on so mfa wo so many am telling you the other.
Why you my menu one? One more, all friend me, all the names to Mamma. And ya one amabu on din. Me chile say, all one, all from one father, so much me a bone din.
Oh, from one father. Oh, Mr. President,
Ola kase. Said the old Cassis as or from my mofa. On the whom Miss Cry be a return. You Kofi bon so me die. For sa party na abi o so kokwa ebi ayen return and now ayen fanti no so betimi the problem ayen
enye negative nko say ye beka se wo mfa ye ko but as say ye wo positive it will be ya the pa me ye mo na baso
Bakum ya amofa course ni yede na mpese
the problem ni say me ba wo
ye to me mechanic negative nko
Mr.
atona bia wo ka bia ma ekuo bi no mu a bibi se a nse wadaje but omu ye nuanom ye yerenom ye kununom ye papanom ye maamenom akyerɛkyerɛfo a wɔ Ghana dodoɔ na bɛ abosomi dumiɛnsa NDC aban ntimi ntwi ɔmo ka
yewura mahama
bosomi baako mienu miɛnsa ɛnan akwa dumiɛnsa ebi du baako ebi du mienu ebi dumiɛnsa
President Mahama
and the NDC government ye ntimi ntwi ɔmo ka anso yɛ se aban papa ba economic indicators ni nyina show say bibia ye dollar aba from petrol aba from akyerɛkyerɛfo where the money dey
Wash.
yɛntimi ntua mo ka
oh the whole bed the whole brutal
sa bibia ba from a bibia ye sika sam ye wo ma ye ho atoyen na wo ye wadwen sa akyerɛkyerɛfo no ntua mo ka na ya bro ne baye ne atrimoden
ne ka na da ho do
abro baye ne atrimoden
ne ka na da ho do
because minim de enti abeka sa bibia ye
hwenia kasa
aban ne ba ya ban papa na aba se pre aban na yet akyerɛkyerɛfo ntimi ntua mo ka
You can't wear so very set your mind. Oh, very set your mind now. Be a dear.
If I come out, ni na watch radio. What you rent? And so boy, what you and can you boy about money buyer almost increment 30% about what you are. Walk watch radio, walk for catnum, and so about come baby or back watch radio no, walk watch radio no. Or ma or yere or wabusia or munya den 30 months. Abusumi to me and sa.
but me nsro
Na bisa se Haruna Idrusu, education minister, the sector minister, abusumi du miensa yentua ne kan kote ho.
I ask you to be citizen
Mampai John Dramani Mahama yentua ne ka. Yetua mo ka na yentua mo ka.
Na mbom da mabani di ne tirimi ye zendodo.
Ghana Education Service Director, workers wo ho yentua mo ka na. Ente adwene na ye nwina teacher fo no ho anasa ye ya bro ne baye abusumi du mi miensa na abrahu same wo mu akokraba tan ahi kura ne say yes at the directives aba sa wo ye teacher ni who grant interview and now yes me call demonstration ye be sanction
O mo de o ma bon na ye kasa o mo nte no.
masa ye ni soja jimi amamuo no bia wo
ne ka na da ho do
panfam fanchame ye ni soja jimi amamuo no bia
ne ka na da ho do
we are in a democratic dispensation obi atumi kire na dwen anya soja amamuo a wo ton wade ane abesizu no ama ne ye hwe pra PNDC wo NDC
adwen kase so da ya adwen ke to antiase
anya PNDC wo NDC a ajudge fo tifie ne akofa mo ye hu omu bio o mayira
ne ka na da ho do
culture of silence no muntimi mfa magana bia wo
etumpan
culture of silence
and
obi antra ho ma mo mfa ma bio
etumpan hwenia kasa
no kra ba ko pe be ka no kra kire mo na teacher ni no abosomi du baako du mienu du miensa untua ne ka no wo ya na dwe so be demonstration a wo de kra ta ba say wo ya wo si abontin bi e be panish wo panish no for what
You can't wear so very set your mind. Oh,
very
very
culture of silence
You can't wear so very set your mind.
obi ankara no ntum enti teacher ni wo wu ne ho kire no wo ye den kra wontra ho a akyerɛkyerɛ fo no bu ofiri Sudan na bankran obi firi nkran ko tamale
but me
tamale
nsro
akofodia enti no rent no onye den wotua onye den wodidi onye den sha atare nkɔkyerɛ nkra adwe
ne ka na da ho do
nkra na de no kra no a adwen bɛn no de bɛkyerɛ nkra na de
Na mbom da mabani di ne tirimi ye zendodo.
akoba etan
Wash.
Ghana mmara no ma ho kwan sɛ obi anya demonstration Public Order Act no the state ni say notify police for
ne ka na da ho do
police for ntimi nkyerɛ wo sɛ wonya ni day we ɛyɛ kwan a wopɛ sɛ wofa so ɛna police ɔbɛkyerɛ so okay ha deɛ ebi abɛfa ha wo mfa day we ebi a traffic kurom enti ebi a momfa nkɔ ba mo ntimi mfa so and stop you Triani panika won triani panika why demonstration what in kwasi akrata we aba say we are demonstration we krom ha ye be sanhyen wo
ye kan we aso be reset o man wo be reset o man no na de aye de
na teacher for 6,000 won timi ntua muka and na Ghana ye deficit e be teaching na teacher for 90,000 no my Ghana here and kragu ho classroom ho teacher for ni ho ye here teacher for 90,000 Ghana I'm telling you Nani ya kase ya for teacher for we nyina 6,000 to 90,000 na betuatua.
Ye kan we aso be reset o man. O be reset.
Wo say yem fa man ne man, wo be bu man, mampayin John Dramani mama, ma sesa, ma sua de, ma nu me ho, nu ho ne de den wo sua.
Oh, the whole bad the whole brutal.
Na achechefo na pe. Ana sa de we apem mo. Haruna Idrusu ba bonten November last year. The betu just